Assurance Wireless through AT&T doesn't offer a truly unlimited data plan directly. However, you can achieve near unlimited data by combining their tiered data plans with add-on packs. Start with a base plan, understanding these range from around $50 a month for 1 gigabytes to $55 a month for 10 gigabytes. Then supplement with data add-ons. As of September 2025, you can purchase add-ons like 100 gigabytes for $10 a month. Stacking these add-ons effectively gives you unlimited data at high speeds until the add-on limit is reached. Be aware that without add-ons, data speeds can be throttled to 128 kbps after your plan's limit. Remember, eligibility requires proof of low-income status, like Medicaid or SNAP benefits. The closest plan you can get to unlimited without the data add-on is the 22 gigabyte tier. To maximize your data and avoid throttling, understand Assurance Wireless's fair use policy. While using add-ons, you have high-speed data. However, excessive tethering or hotspot usage might trigger throttling. Monitor your data usage through the Assurance Wireless app. Opt for data-saving measures like using Opera Mini or enabling data compression on your device. Try to avoid high-bandwidth activities during peak hours, typically from 7 to 11 p.m. If you're using a subsidized device, hotspot features may be limited. Note that data rollover isn't available, and international roaming is restricted to Canada and Mexico. By using data responsibly and monitoring your usage, you can get the most out of your Assurance Wireless plan.